We just put 3 legs on there, and we start baking our pudding.
Nice.
Okay, and we've been in the business for about 13 years. We're the only one in Jamaica that's doing the potato pudding, and they rush us like crazy. We get people from England, we get people from Canada, we get people from all over America. We get all different nations. You'll be surprised to see how many Chinese people come in here and buy food. You'll be surprised to see how much English comes in here. Canadians. You know, we have them all. Our place is so busy. Now the police comes here at times to tell the customer they can't park here because the traffic is too heavy. You know, especially in the evening time. Sometimes you come here, you also have to wait. You know, as much as we have all of these here, sometimes we have to bake around the back. Especially when there's holidays or Christmas time. Like we just started to slow down now this week. But all of before Christmas and slowing down. When you come here, you always have to wait actually for slides.